People that are for passport that are talking to Andreas at the moment. It's getting ready to go to Auburn, Indiana to the World Auction. And this is a nice truck, and it sure is a big bugger. But anyway, the Y job is beautiful. It's lovely. Just one of best to show. I'm very happy with. A couple interesting little facts on this. Since this was the Y job, it's called a Y job because that is a designation for aircraft. And the hood ornament is a gun sight from World War II. This was Harley Earl's. That's why he called it the Y job, because he primarily was an aircraft guy and he liked that designation to really give it something special rather than X like they all were. But you can see it's a marvelous car. It's the only one other than the original. The original is $10 million insurance tab on it, and that's in the vault at General Motors. And they don't even really let that out. Once in a while it'll get out. And last time, one of the last times, it was on Jay Leno's program, but he couldn't drive it on the street, so they drove it on the access road for the Burbank Airport. So anyhow, just a bit of useless information. This one is on a 41 Cadillac chassis, which is the same as the Buick, and it has a Corvette Y engine in it, and with their suspension on it on the original Cadillac. Does everything it's supposed to do. And the original had electric windows on it, and it had the push button flush door handles on it, and the fully enveloped body. So it's pretty crazy. Now, just to show you something, this is how you open the boot. See that? Just popped open. So that's how we do it. Anyway, this is the Y job. So anyway, say goodbye, and we'll get a nice new home somewhere in this world. Thanks everybody for being so supportive of it. See ya.